Okay, so we're still in the chords live input section here, but we want to use a simpler controller where we have already chords preset. We can sync up to play via different pads via simpler controller if you want to do this. So let's set up the simpler controller, the LPD8 here, and use those pads here to play chords. So I select the LPD8, I set this to the chord sections here via clicking on the S, so it's taking over my current selection from the select MIDI input menu here now, and it's taking this one as the chord in. So now I can have a different mode in the chords in section here. I could set up the notes to chord sections here, and now I have 5 different chords I can apply to 5 different pads here, and it works the same. Again, I have an S button here, and it's automatically detecting the MIDI note I'm putting in here now. So this is already detecting, this is detecting and syncing, this is detecting and syncing, this is detecting and syncing, hitting S, then hitting the MIDI in, and now those chords are being played via my LPD8, via those different pads here, and the chord is being played as long as I hold it. When I release, the chord stops, obviously. So what I can do now as well is I can activate the hold notes toggle button here, and now the chords will stay until I trigger the next chord. So the chord stays, and if I now play a different chord, it changes only then, and it waits until I hit the next one, and so on and so forth. So if we are now playing the whole section here, again the chords will play automatically, but as soon as I play a live input, I'm taking over the playback and deactivating the playback, and now this is following my chords I'm playing via the hold note section. It is quite nice because then I'm having longer chords being held here, which is important for the other elements to have some orientation what kind of MIDI notes should be triggered, so the bass needs to know what chord is currently ringing. I have a much more simpler section here as well for triggering those different 5 chords. We have 5 chords in every preset here. I can set this up note to chords to a single note as well, and this way I only use one pad, but this one pad is triggering one of the 5 chords randomly. So we can now hear this already. I'm just triggering one button here, or at the moment I could use any button because the range is set up to the full range to listen to. So I'm now playing every time I hit here a different chord. I have the hold notes activated, so it's ringing until the next chord. And this way you could have a simple access for someone who wants to play and wants to or should take over the chords, to be in control and in charge of the chords, just via one pad here as well, just via one MIDI note input.